The success team. Builders and P2, the Power of 2 Smart Contract present to you, the Power of 2. The P2 community and you. The Power of 2. Crowdfunding and smart contracts. The Power of 2. The power of your dreams. Join the success team. Builders in this amazing opportunity at www.successteambuilders. What is crowdfunding? Crowdfunding is the collective effort of many individuals who network and pool small amounts of capital to finance a new or existing goal, whether personal or business. It is globally recognized for 25 years because of platforms like Indiegogo, Kickstarter and GoFundMe. In 2020, crowdfunding has already helped raise $35 billion plus billion USD in campaign donations from private individuals like you. What are smart contracts? All campaign donations are secured by a smart contract on the Tron blockchain and placed in your own private electronic wallet. Wait a minute, what does that mean? A smart contract is a computer code execution that can never be changed, never be hacked, manipulated, or deleted. It is forever. Where does the smart contract live? On the blockchain, or more specifically, the Tron blockchain. Wait a minute, what is the blockchain? And what is Tron? The blockchain is a computer ledger that lives on the World Wide Web and is completely impenetrable. Tron is a top 10 cryptocurrency company just like Bitcoin. Tron has a market capitalization of over $2 billion USD, and can process 172 million transactions on the Tron blockchain every single day. The P2 Power of 2 phenomenon is powered by three massive dynamics: the P2 Powerline, the XFACTOR, and Prime. And the www. Success Team Builders have the marketing tools to empower these massive dynamics to get your business on fire. Understanding the P2 Powerline. As tens of thousands of new members join P2, they are registered in the P2 Powerline. Each new member is automatically entered with a date and time stamp on a first-come, first-served basis to track their success. There are two types of members in the P2 Powerline: free members and donating members. Free members are registered at no charge and are automatically given the first two free members in their personal crowdfunding campaign. All new free members are given 24 hours to make their first donation to upgrade and become qualified as donating members. If the donation is not made in the first 24 hours, the free member is removed from their preferred time and date stamped position and reinserted at the bottom of the P2 Powerline. Free members are registered in the P2 Powerline immediately. Donating members are registered in XFACTOR and additionally registered in Prime. When you upgrade to donating member, you are automatically upgraded with two other donating members and you immediately start collecting revenue in your campaign. You must be a donating member to receive donations in your personal crowdfunding campaign. How does the XFACTOR cycle work? When you upgrade and become a donating member, you are now qualified to collect donations from 20 different sources of contributions. There are 10 levels in XFACTOR and 10 levels in Prime. The first level is $10, and it goes right up to $2,560, but you never have to contribute more than $10 if you do not want to. Your campaign can be completely self-financed. As a donating member, you instantly collect donations for your campaign and generate donations for other campaigns. In this example, everyone has upgraded to donating member. The first member's donation goes directly to you. The second member's donation goes to the member above you in the XFACTOR. But that is only the beginning. As your first member receives their two donating members, their second member pays you. That re-qualifies you and the cycle process continues to unlimited levels. Every member that you personally refer into your crowdfunding campaign enters Prime. Prime pays your campaign 10% on 10 generations of campaigns. Let us look at an example. Suppose you only personally refer 3 members into your campaign, and they do the same. In this example of Prime, everyone starts with the minimum $10 USD but uses their contributions to naturally upgrade over time to only level 3 out of 10 equals $35 USD. It will be more, so $35 USD goes into Prime. 10% is $3.50 USD. P2 Community Disclaimer: crowdfunding is not a business or income opportunity. It is a donation distribution formula and is purely based on the crowdfunding process. The community makes no claims or guarantees of the contributions that your project will receive. Each individual project's success depends largely on your commitment, desire and personal references. How does Prime work? Suppose you only personally refer 3 members into your campaign, and they do the same. That is a total 88,572 members in your Prime. What does that mean in donations? 88,572 members times $3.50 USD equals $310,000 USD. Will it work out exactly that way? Never, but will you probably refer more than 3 members? Yes. Will members upgrade to higher levels to increase donations? Yes. This is a certainty. All 88,000 members will do exactly what you did, and your revenue will grow monthly. 20 different sources of contributions available for all members. 10 levels of revenue in XFACTOR. 10 levels of revenue in Prime you can earn simultaneously from some or all these levels. Work with your P2 trainer today to determine where to start 1, 2, 3 or 20 levels. The incredible P2 Power of 2 difference. You start by registering with Power of 2 absolutely free. Service, hosting, personal campaign website and P2 global community support are all provided absolutely free. Unlike traditional campaigns, there is no set goal amount of money. It is unlimited. There is no fixed time frame. It is unlimited. Your donations are tallied for everyone to see your success. Most importantly, P2 kicks off your campaign for you with donations from people you have never met. It gets better. Your future donations will not only come from individuals that you have referred your campaign, but from the entire global P2 Power of 2 community. P2 Power of 2, maximizing your income potential. Massive action. The P2 Powerline date and time stamps every new member. To maximize your income and maintain your exclusive positioning, you must take immediate and massive action. If you do, rewards are immediate and massive. P2 Power of 2, simple steps to massive success. 1. Work with the P2 personal trainer to determine your starting level. 2. Determine your crowdfunding goals specifically, and visualize them. 3. Download the Tron wallet on your phone or computer. 4. Fund your wallet now, do not wait. It is your money anyway. 5. Always fund a few extra dollars to cover the Tron fees. 6. Invite everyone to join your crowdfunding campaign and start their own. And don't forget to join the success team. Builders and benefit from their amazing marketing, training and state-of-the-art marketing tools to build your success. P2 Power of 2 Power Tools. 9. Powerful tools to maximize your crowdfunding goals. 1. Personal marketing page with capture and funnel features. Find new members worldwide. 2. Deluxe social media graphics pack. Professional appearance anywhere on the internet. 3. 5-part video course. How to create fantastic Facebook Live events and videos. 4. 8-part video course. Dominating on YouTube. 5. 16-part video course. Mastering Twitter and Instagram. 6. Advanced email marketing course. Scripts and software. Send unlimited emails. 7. Create massive traffic for your campaign. Lead generation course plus affiliate bootcamp. The $50,000 plan. 8. Personal automated webinars. 2. Custom built on-demand webinars. Earn 24 hours a day. 9. Ultimate webinar training course. Incredible 28 video, 18 document library. Incredible $12,000 plus USD value. Free. For qualified members. P2 Power Tools. For your P2 career. The sky is the limit with P2 and you. Whether you are qualified on levels in Power of 2 to receive the Power of 2 marketing materials, or not, you can always access the incredible state-of-the-art marketing tools and training available at www.successteambuilders. Success Team Builders tools and training are powerful on their own and/or can enhance or exceed any other training. A massive wave of donations is going to move up the P2 Powerline. Ride the wave, work with your P2 personal trainer and attend all daily online webinars. This massive wave of donations is for the P2 global community. Position yourself now to maximize your campaign's donations. It's easy and fun, and let the Success Team Builders state-of-the-art tools and training equip you with the tools you need to help you reach success. The Power of 2, P2 and you and Success Team Builders. P2 Power of Tron Smart Contract. Power your dreams. Join our team. Go to www.successteam.builders today.